Are you a serious trader looking for a way to increase profits? Every serious trader I've ever met is always looking for a reliable, back-tested, and proven edge. I have a ruthless set of actions that I've developed that will help revolutionize you and the way you trade. First, here's a warning. This is not for everybody. If you're not an experienced trader, this will sound a lot like a foreign language to you. If you're a trader that's experienced in stocks, commodities, the Forex, futures, or options, what I'm going to tell you will turn your entire trading world upside down. Sniper trading is predicated on a minimum of 2-to-1 reward to risk ratio. Since we frame it at a 2-to-1, we plan and prepare ruthless actions on or before the 2R threshold. Why do we do this? Because we are anticipating this moment. We're planning and preparing to execute these actions to remove 80% of the cognitive and emotional load at the point of decision. Now I'm only focusing on the 20% of things that fall outside of that plan. Then I can make a ruthless managerial exit at the exact point of highest yield with minimal cognitive and emotional stress. Because we identify each and every trade series, we've identified this edge as an area of catastrophic success. We constantly drill on this rule set and the specific patterns and targets we have developed for this system. This ensures that we can ruthlessly execute in the moment of compound critical state without regret or angst. This drill, the rule sets, and the patterns are fractal in nature and can be performed on any time frame that suits the needs of the trader. Your trading may vary and is solely dependent upon you. Look, everything that you've learned is wrong about trading. Here's why. It's based on an antiquated set of indicators. They're simply average at best, and if you want average, be my guest. Old versus new, your father's way of trading is outdated. Simple buy and hold on a dip? Really? That's your plan for your financial future? How about a system that's founded in volatility and price location, as described by 4 specific look-back periods? Your choice. Look, here's 4 simple things that you can do right now to profitably trade. Use a fast-moving set of statistically based indicators that will take the guesswork out of your critical inflection points. Use a signal generator that's tailored to these indicators that consistently generate easily recognizable and fractal patterns. Number 3, lose your dependence on price directionality. You will no longer care which way the trade goes, just as long as it moves. Number 4, don't try to figure this out on your own. We already did it. If you like what you see and you like what you're hearing, go to thesnipersecret.com, register, and opt in or buy a seat to the class, or send me some questions via email, and I'll respond to you. I'm a real person. Here's why you should do this. This is at a super discounted price right now because we're just bringing this fresh to the market. This class is unique, as far as I know, to the trading world. You have a year to learn at your own pace, free to review and learn the system from your computer. Another reason why you should do this is you are not just a student or a number to me. When you join us, you join our community. Trading is often a lonely business, but it doesn't have to be. 3 reasons why this is different. Included in this course is 2 times a week live trading. So as a member of the team, you can ask questions and we can answer them live, or look directly at the trade you are making and can reinforce your education in the moment. Now, I can't tell you what to trade or how much, but I can educate you on correcting any bad habits or misinterpretation of the rules or the system. The next reason this is different is most systems are just that. They're a system. Here, follow these numbers, do these things, tab A, slot B kind of stuff. We really go after the psychology behind all of this stuff. We teach you how to be a better trader. We teach you resiliency and strength in times of stress. Right now, while this is on the top of your mind, click on the link below and you'll go directly to my on-demand video where I'll show you exactly how one of my sniper trading secrets work. So, what are you waiting for? Click on the link right now, and I'll see you on the other side.